Hey guys, welcome back to the machine shop. So, I've been trying to learn how to run a lathe. We have some nice lathes here. I didn't even know how to turn it on. So I took like a crash course trying to teach myself how to do it. But it's not too hard. We kind of learn together. So one thing they all have, this is called the tail stock. This is called the sled. The head, the spindle, the chuck, a lot of gears and selectors. This is called the compound, cross slide. So this you can slide right up to your part. This locks it in. This will lock it from moving. You can move it in and out. You could put drill bits, different chucks in there. You know, you could put a drill bit in here. This is called a live center. It's got a bearing and spins. It's for holding long pieces. You know, it would come in and hold the piece steady this way, or you can drill and tap the inside of a pipe. This is the sled. This will engage and disengage it different directions. The cross slide, auto feeds this way, X axis, Y axis. On off, forward, reverse, carriage direction, speed selector, engage, disengage the clutch. See this, when this comes up, this will start moving. Basically engaging the clutch. Now this is actually spinning. You can engage the sled, and this will actually feed. It's hard to tell, it's moving so slow, but it's actually feeding right now. The auto feed. Yeah, I'll do some more videos. Chuck something up and maybe turn a piece of metal. Show you what the tool holders are, and what the different shapes of cutters do. I guess that's what they're called. These are all holders, and then you put whatever tool you want in the end of them. Attach them into here, but I'll do a video about that. But yeah, learning the lathe. Pretty excited. It's a lot of fun. Yuppers. We'll see you soon.